Hello everyone, this is model number 131 AC pulse width modulation based power control using IGBT. The main aim is to control the speed of the motor. So for demo purpose we are using here AC lamp instead of motor. We have separated two circuits using an opto isolator. We have used here 555 IC to generate a square pulse width modulation wave and IGBT for switching action. So when the lamp is at its lower intensity, we can see here the T off time period is high whereas the T on is less, whereas the frequency is same. So when I go on increasing the intensity of this lamp, the T on time of this wave goes on increasing and the T off time decreases, but the frequency remains the same. The intensity is increasing here and at its higher intensity we have obtained the sine wave. Thank you.